Good evening, sir. Welcome to Grand Maple Hotel. How can I help you? Good evening. I would like a single room for tonight, please. Would you like a room with a view of the city? No, that's fine, thanks. I'd prefer somewhere quiet, away from the street, please. Certainly, sir. Would you like a non-smoking or smoking room, sir? A non-smoking room, please. Can you fill this form and sign your name here, please? And could I have your ID and credit card, please? Wait a moment. Here is my ID and here's my credit card. Thank you very much, Mr. Clarkson. Here's your key. Your room is on the 5th floor, room number 525. It has a balcony with a view of our orchard garden. It is very peaceful. Breakfast is served from 6 a.m. to 10 a.m. every morning in the dining hall. Thank you very much. Would you like some help with your luggage? Thanks, but no thanks. I have only got this small suitcase with me. Wish you have a pleasant stay with us, Mr. Clarkson. Let's read the following useful phrases in a hotel. Mari kita baca frase-frase yang berguna berikut ini di dalam sebuah hotel. How can I help you? I would like a single room for tonight, please. I would like a double room for 3 nights, please. Wait a moment. Here's my ID. Here's my credit card. Would you like a room with a view of the city? No, that's fine, thanks. Yes, that'd be great, thanks. Would you like some help with your luggage? Thanks, but no thanks. Yes, please. Thank you. Alright, that's the lesson for today. Jangan lupa untuk klik subscribe dan icon bell yang ada di sebelahnya untuk mendapatkan notifikasi video-video terbaru dari Honey English Club. Thank you for watching. See you next time.